Hi, welcome to CrochetJewel Channel. I'm going to show you how to make these cute crochet angel wings. I used an F hook. I used Caron Soft yarn, but you can use any type of yarn. It measures for each wing just a few inches. The link is down below for the pattern in the description and also in the comments. If you need to place your video in slow motion, I have a link for that down below and also a playlist for beginner stitches. These crochet wings are great to add to any pattern or project that you're working on. Okay, so let's get started. To start, you're going to slip knot onto your hook, and I did a chain count of 7. You can make this bigger or smaller with your hook size or more chains. In the second chain from the hook, work a single crochet, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then work a single crochet in the next 4 stitches. And then work 5 single crochet in the last chain. Do not turn and work on the opposite side and work 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. Leave 2 stitches unworked, chain 1, and turn. Work 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. And then work 2 single crochet in the next 4 stitches. Now single crochet in the next 5 stitches. Chain 3 and work a single crochet in the second chain from the hook. and then single crochet into the next chain, and then single crochet into the next 15 single crochet. Chain 1 and turn and work 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. Then work 2 single crochet in the next 4 stitches. You can slip stitch into the next stitch and fasten off, and you need to make 2 of these. Take your yarn needle and weave in your ends. Okay, so now your crochet angel wings are complete, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and the pattern is down below. I approve all comments, so thank you for all of your nice comments, and if you have any questions, let me know.